What is the difference between milk and cream?
Welcome to today's video. In this segment, we will be discussing the key differences between milk and cream. These two dairy products are commonly used in various recipes and have distinct characteristics that set them apart.
What is milk?
Milk is a nutritious liquid produced by mammals to nourish their young. It contains essential nutrients such as protein, calcium, vitamins, and minerals. The milk we commonly consume comes from cows, but it can also be sourced from other animals like goats and sheep.
What is cream?
Cream, on the other hand, is a thicker, richer, and fattier dairy product derived from milk. It forms when the high fat content of milk rises to the top and is then skimmed off. Cream is used in a variety of culinary applications, such as in sauces, soups, and desserts.
How do the fat content and consistency differ?
The primary difference between milk and cream lies in their fat content. Milk typically contains anywhere from 1% to 5% fat, depending on the variety: skim, low-fat, or whole milk. Cream, however, has a much higher fat content, ranging from 10% in half and half to 55% in heavy cream. This higher fat content gives cream its thicker and richer consistency compared to milk.
What are their different uses in cooking and baking?
Milk is versatile and can be used in a wide range of recipes, from savory dishes like casseroles and sauces to sweet treats like puddings and smoothies. Cream, due to its higher fat content, is used to add richness, creaminess, and a velvety texture to dishes. It is often whipped and used as a topping for desserts, or incorporated into sauces and soups to create a luxurious mouthfeel. In summary, the main difference between milk and cream is their fat content and consistency. Milk is a lower fat, more versatile dairy product, while cream is a higher fat product that adds richness and creaminess to various dishes. Both have their unique uses in cooking and baking, and understanding their differences can help you achieve the desired results in your culinary endeavors.